Good afternoon everyone, I'm back on it again today. How you doing? Right, because it's been windy and raining, I've essentially just been filling in some of the tops on the ring beam. So that's a typical sort of gap between the ceiling, between the roof ply and the ring beam, and that's about 5 inches, 4 inches, probably goes up to about 6 inches up there. So I've been paneling that up with pieces of ply, just offcuts, and I've limed over there. It's a little bit wet, that, and it's got a little bit of sloping, but I'll let that leave and settle for tonight, and I'll come and sort that out tomorrow. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides today, so this goes all the way around. Filled in those tops. This is the bathroom area, just coming inside. So up there is the interior of the wall going up to the roof, and then there's a side window there. So I've limed all round there, panelled that up. This is the window looking at it from the inside of the roundhouse. Can't really see because of the contrast, but I've just limed up the bottom there, and I've actually limed right on top of it, so there's like a shelf on there, so that'll be nice and bright. But got a bit of an infill that's fallen out there, so again I'm going to leave that for 24 hours, let that cure, and I'll go over this with a wet brush because it is really wet at the moment. So yeah, really happy with that. Got quite a few sides done. Yep, essentially 5 sides on the tops. It's not taking me too long. If it's like this again tomorrow, the weather, I'm just going to carry on, get all those tops done, and I need to get this piece of roof ply in as soon as possible really, but I just need this wind and rain to stop. So I've got this window, it's sealed in. This is by far the wettest area. Just give you an idea what it looks like outside. Just walk past the huge oak tree. So that's the window from the outside. That's the bathroom area there, that's the side of it. I've panelled up on the top there again with offcuts, and what I'm going to do is probably lime render that. I was going to do a tile system, but it's just going to be too fiddly, so I'm going to lime render that on the interior. Just put some plastic layer on the windowsill there, just to deflect the rain for a while, and I just need to carry on the roof structure around this bit, which is going to be a bit interesting because it's just an awkward shape. So yeah, I'll tackle that when I get to it, weather permitting. So in the meantime, not much else I can do today. I'm going to pack up for the moment. So as I say, I've done all around there, got a few gaps and holes to fill where they're sloped, and it's just because my render is quite wet, excuse me. So I'll sort those little problems out another day. So I'm just hoping it's going to dry off the next few days so I can actually get this last piece of roof ply up, and then I can sort of tackle around that wall because I want to get that done. But that's it, I'll leave you to it. Everything's drying off nicely around here. Got a bit of sunshine now, which is quite good, so that wall's coming on pretty well, and this is what the tops look like when it's dried off. I just need to clean up the edges with a wire brush just to tidy those up, but that's what it looks like when it's boxed up and when it's limed over. So it doesn't actually take too long, so I've only got 1, 2, 3 sides on this side to do, and another 3 that side. So you know, potentially I might even be able to get that done tomorrow, but to be honest I don't really want to tackle those other sides just yet until I've got the roof wrapped up, because I'm just going to crack my render otherwise. But this side's all been sealed, so I don't need to worry about that for the time being. So yeah, looking good. Window here looking nice. Got to box up that bottom bit and I've got a bit of a hole to the outside world there, so I need to deal with that as well. But yeah, big old space here. Not quite sure what windows to put in there. I might end up putting 2 windows. I don't know yet. But got a few new windows yesterday, and I'm going to probably go home and give those a bit of a scrub up this evening and just sort of get them in preparation. But yeah, that's it. Looking good. Really pleased with that. I'll come back to you soon. Cheers then.